I have some sewer gas coming from this drain. I'm going to show you how to eliminate it. Now if we look down into that drain, down at the bottom there's a ball that I'm guessing is rubber but not sure, and my house is almost 60 years old, so unless it's been replaced, it's 60 years old. So right now it's sitting down in the bottom of this kind of trap, and when you pour water in, it'll float up and it'll seal off the top. But what can happen is you can see all the rust and stuff around in this drain, and if a piece of debris gets stuck on the side of the ball so it doesn't seal tight, sewer gas can leak up and into the living space. So the cure is a bucket of water. And when these drains dry out of water, then you can get some sewer gas leaking up and in. So I've done this numerous times over the years, and most of the time it stops the sewer gas smell from coming up into the basement. It's a real easy fix. I wouldn't want to take this drain all apart and replace the ball and clean everything out, because it'd be a huge job. Oh, and you can see now that the ball is floating up at the top, and that's the water, and the ball is going to seal any of the sewer gas from coming into the living space. So it's a easy fix and worth a try. If this doesn't work, then we have to look into replacing this whole thing, which I don't want to do. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.